Melanie Black.
Welcome to a chilly weekend, and we have some snow showers out there now. Radar and satellite, a lot of us just seeing some flurries in the mix. That includes areas of Metro West, north of Boston, through Worcester County. But really what I've been watching throughout the morning, where you see some of these brighter colors, and that's where we've had some light snowfall across Connecticut, Rhode Island, even across the south coast, Cape Cod, and the islands. Right now, it looks like just some light snowfall mainly throughout our region, the south coast, and the islands. The rest, you're just seeing a mix of flurries. So our snowfall accumulations for today, where you see the blue, most of this we have already picked up. 2 inches has been picked up across Connecticut, and we're just looking at a coating to maybe an inch for areas across the south coast, Cape Cod, and the islands. Patchy coatings elsewhere, and that's because later on this afternoon we still have some scattered snow showers. So here we go, midday, abundant cloud cover back to the west. You see some of these scattered showers that start to line up, and really I'm eyeing this for a time frame once we get to say 2-3 o'clock, where you see some of these snow showers start to come in a line, indicating the potential for some snow squalls that continue to slip down to the southeast. So that could bring a quick burst of snow that could drop off your visibility through about 6-7 o'clock. Other than that, it's cold out there. 30 in Boston, 26 in Worcester. We don't have a whole lot of wind right now out of the southwest. And what's going to happen today, it eventually shifts more out of the west northwest with temperatures in the mid-30s. Mostly cloudy skies with those snow showers. Tomorrow, it's all about the gusty wind. We'll talk about that ahead.
Some sort of warm up, but could it be in the forecast, Melanie?
In the next few days, we get temperatures back into the 40s. That'll feel nice. Today it's chilly, tomorrow it's chilly. And you know what? We're tracking some snow showers already this morning. We've gotten a dusting to up to 2 inches. This pretty much performed how we expected, 2 inches across Connecticut. And as you take a look at radar and satellite, a lot of us just seeing some flurries, a lot of clouds in the mix. I've been watching these areas where you see some of these brighter colors. That includes Connecticut, Rhode Island, down across portions of the south coast, Cape Cod, and the islands where you've had some light snow. And when you look at the visibility, you can see where we have the light snow down across Providence, the south coast, and those same areas I mentioned mainly across the islands. But elsewhere where you're seeing some of the flurries, your visibility is still fine. So the reason we have this is because we've had this area of low pressure that's mainly staying to our south. So we are on the northern side of things, still picking up some of that moisture for those areas where you have a coating to 2 inches still possible. I think most of this you've already accumulated, but maybe still accumulating about a dusting to half an inch where you see the blue, so that'll be to the south. Now all these patchy coatings that you see listed here, that's because we still have some scattered snow showers later this afternoon. Let's walk you through our future forecast for today. Whole lot of cloud cover out there. By about noon, you start to see some of these scattered snow showers back to our west. And what's going to happen once we get to say 2-3 o'clock, you start to see some of these showers organized in a line. So this indicates the potential for some snow squalls. There could be a quick downburst that leads to a drop off in visibility, and then that'll continue to slide down to the southeast once we get toward the evening, say about 6 o'clock, before everything really clears out tonight, setting the stage for a cold morning start. We're already cold out there now, 30 in Boston, upper 20s Bedford to Worcester. And today you'll notice there isn't a whole lot of wind, which certainly is going to feel nice, but we do have a lot of cloud cover. High temperatures, I think today will be in a range of the mid-30s. Then tonight we'll have mainly clear conditions for some time and light wind, and that'll help drop our temperatures into the teens and the 20s. But our forecast for tomorrow calls for that wind to really pick up out of the southwest. We'll have temperatures once again, I think, back in the mid-30s, partly cloudy conditions, but with the wind gusting 20 to 35 miles per hour potentially, it's going to feel more like the teens to start and in the 20s in the afternoon. So we have the breezy conditions tomorrow. Breezy conditions linger into Monday, and then Tuesday, it's a little bit more calm. In fact, Tuesday and Wednesday, I think, are going to be pretty nice with our temperatures in the 40s. We'll throw Thursday in the mix as well. Our next coastal storm could bring some rain and snow by Friday.